What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're gonna wrap up the whole 12 days of Christmas, our 12 giveaways. I've already done 6 and today we're gonna wrap up the last 6 all in one video. And they're gonna be all headphones, so for all the headphone junkies out there, this one's for you. First off, to enter into the contest, you need to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video, like this video, share any one of my videos, and then finally, leave a comment down below. In the last video, I asked you guys to leave a comment about which watch is your favorite, since we were looking at a watch. This time, since it's New Year's, leave a comment down below letting me know what your New Year's resolution is. Or if you absolutely do not have a resolution and don't plan on making a resolution, just leave a nice comment. But let's get started. So the first off we have the Jack True Wireless Earbuds by Alpha and Delta. Second pair is the V207 by Idea Play. So there we go. And we've got the AH07 by Archier. And we recently looked at these ones. These are the K5 by Onikuma. And a lot of you have actually commented on this video saying that you were actually watching the video using these headphones. So apparently a lot of people like these. So these are, I thought they were pretty cool, but damn, there we go. All right, and the final two, we've got the Bluetooth Turbine 5th generation. And then finally, we've got the Bluetooth Turbine 6th generation. So we got the 5th generation and the 6th generation. Bam, there we go. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below to every one of the unboxings of these so you can actually check them out more in depth. Also in the description, you'll see the contest rules. Definitely check those out. And yeah, and that's it. This one's a short video today. Happy New Year's to everybody and good luck in the contest and get out of here.